In this video, you'll learn, step by step, how to loop audio tracks in Canva for your video projects. To begin, select the Videos category from the Create a Design menu. Next, trim the audio clip in your timeline by dragging its left handle to set the starting point just as you want it. Then, open the Templates section and use the search bar to explore or generate new media for your design, giving your project a creative boost. Search for sounds using the Elements panel, then choose an audio item like funk breakbeat music to add the perfect track to your video. After that, click and select your chosen audio clip in the timeline. This allows you to adjust or position it for timing and looping effects. Now, select other clips or manage tracks in your timeline. You can easily delete, duplicate, or arrange audio to build a seamless loop in your project. Finally, use the Elements Search and Audio tab to add or swap music. Once you duplicate a background music track, you've successfully created a looping audio sequence that fits the length of your Canva video. That's how you loop audio in Canva. Now you're ready to create engaging soundtracks for your videos.